We're on day 10, and I decided to have a little fun and try out this Pinterest project that I saw. So this project here, it requires plastic. So I saw it on Pinterest. This is a little Pinterest idea, so I decided, let me try it out. I only have cling and seal. Let's see if it's gonna work. I think it will. I think it will. All right. So I wanted to make it in 3 different types. I saw it made with the Ferrero Rocher. I'm gonna try it with these Bailey's non-alcoholic chocolates. I love them. And then one of my favorites, the Lindor, the milk chocolate one. I'm a milk chocolate girl. So we're gonna try it with these 3 and see how it works. So you need your chocolates, you need your wrap. They also had like these little strings to tie them off. But I don't got no little string, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna improvise and I'm gonna use some pipe cleaners, because that's all I had, right? So we're gonna use our plastic wrap, our pipe cleaners, our chocolates of choice, and then we're going to add a little bow. I'm obsessed with these bows. I'll give y'all the link. All right, so let's see how this goes. This is one of those things where I never made it. It's pretty simple, but then sometimes you think it's simple and then you don't get it. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Go up. All right, we need a pair of scissors. So we're going to start first with this one. I think it was 6. Let me see. Yeah, I think it was 6. All right, so let's put them together. I don't even know how much space. We trying it out. I think I'm gonna make a series of trying things I've seen on Pinterest. There we go. It's looking a little crazy. Let's get them close. All right. All right, so let's pull this piece out and we're gonna twist this. Maybe we pull them down, okay, and then twist. Look at that, that works. I'm gonna take the little pipe cleaner and wrap it around, because you know that's all we got, we're working with. So we're just gonna clip it. Push this one closer. And then turn it. Oh, he in the way. Turn it. Is it working? I think so. Twist. This is not close enough. Child. Let's see if this turns out good or an epic fail. I had to speed it up for y'all because I was struggling and y'all would have been here all day watching me. Twist them up some more. Put them together. Tie a little knot. Maybe next time I tie a knot. What is this? So we're gonna turn this here, wrap it around the back. This is probably the only part I got right, the bow. And make a little bow. It's not bad. We can't use this though. Let's try another one with the Bailey's chocolates and see how those come out. Don't judge, it's already open. I was eating them already. Get some cling. So I'm gonna try placing the chocolate, right? And then tying a knot, right? Y'all think that gonna work? Sure. How could something so easy give me so much headache? Is this frustrating you watching me? Because it's frustrating me doing it. Okay, let's get it all through and then we'll pull it all the way up. Let's get this top part. It's very hard to knot the cling wrap. Maybe this was a big mistake. Again, I sped it up through the struggle. Get it close as possible. It worked. It worked. You already know the drill. I had to speed it up through the struggle part. Let's have them face the same way. Tuck that in the back. It's upside down. You want to have the words facing the same way. At this point, I was ready to give up on this project. I went to speed up the progress and deleted the part, man. At this part, the editing and the project was just all the best. So we're going to try a third method. And that's going to be, maybe I shouldn't have cut it. To wrap each one individually. And then tie them together. That might work. Oh, I should never knot it. And again, I'm not going to torture y'all watching me do this whole thing. It took a little longer than I expected. Also, too, if y'all hear me and it sounds like I'm breathing kind of heavy, it's because I'm breathing through my mouth. My nose is stuffy. And I didn't want to redo the video. And there you have it. Now, after I recorded this video, guys, I went back to Pinterest and looked at the projects. I stressed myself out for nothing, but I did enjoy just doing a project for fun and not, anything serious. I enjoyed myself, but I said all that to say, I think you guys should try it. I really enjoyed this, and I think I want to do like just Pinterest pins that I just try out, projects that I just try out. So if y'all see anything and y'all want to recommend something, let me know. Here, I'm just giving you guys like a close-up of each one. They're not as bad. They could have been way better, but they're not that bad. And I want to encourage you to just try something one day, even if it's a simple project. Even though it may look simple, it might not be. But anyway, peace out, guys.